So in today's lesson, we have been looking at finding the area of a rectangle through multiplication of the side lengths. And we're going to continue that with this problem set. So I know you probably already have this done, and this is for you to check it, but I definitely want you to check your work just to, one, make sure you know how to find the area of a shape, and two, also this is a review for some of your multiplication facts that you're working on. So you'll find this problem set on page 185 and 186. So if we look at number 1, it says write a multiplication equation to find the area of each rectangle. So our side lengths are already given, 4 feet and 7 feet. So 4 times 7 is 28 square feet. On part B, 8 feet and 7 feet. 8 feet times 7 feet would be 56 square feet. And if you're still having trouble with these multiplication facts, you could count by 7s 8 times. You could count by 8 7 times. You could draw an array. There's lots of different ways you can solve these if you're still having trouble with some of your multiplication facts. Then if we move to C, it's 6 feet by 6 feet. So 6 times 6 equals 36 square feet. If we move on to number 2, it says write a multiplication equation and a division equation to find the unknown side lengths for each rectangle. So if we look at this, we know the area is 72 square feet. And we know this side is 9 feet. So it would be 9 times what equals 72. So if you weren't sure that the answer was 8, you could count by 9s until you reach 72 and see how many 9s you had. You could draw an array to get to 72, but it's 9 feet times 8 feet equals 72 square feet. And then if we reverse that and make it a division problem, our product of our multiplication problem comes to the front. So 72 divided by 9 equals 8. And that's a fact family. Remember, you have the two multiplication facts and the two division facts that make up your fact family. They all use the same 3 numbers, but they're going to be in a different order. With the division ones, your answer to your multiplication problem will be your first number in your division. We go to B, we know that the area is 15 square feet, and we know that one side is 3, so we need to find right here, 3 times what equals 15. And of course, this one's done, but your answer will be 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15 square feet, and then to make it a division problem to check your work, the product of your multiplication fact, that's your answer, will go to the front of the division. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Remember, same 3 numbers that I'm using for my fact family. And then if we go to part C, we know that we have 4 feet up here and an area of 28 square feet. So we're looking for this answer. So what times 4 equals 28? And the answer is 7. And then when we make that into a division problem, our product from our multiplication comes to the front. So 28 divided by 4 equals 7. You could have also had 28 divided by 7 equals 4. If we go down to number 3, on the grid below, draw a rectangle that has an area of 42 units. Label the sides. Yours may not be exactly like this. You might have 7 on this side and 6 on this side, but either way works. So 6 square units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 times 7 would be 42 square units. Now I want you to flip to the next page, page 186. We're going to check the 3 on this page. So number 4, Ursa draws a rectangle that has side lengths of 9 centimeters and 6 centimeters. What is the area of the rectangle Explain how you found your answer. Now, there is more than one way to find this answer. So if yours is not exactly like this, you could share it with your class, or just make sure you've come up with the right answer and it makes sense. So 9 centimeters by 6 centimeters, 9 times 6 equals 54. The area of the rectangle is 54 square centimeters. I found the area by multiplying the side lengths. So they multiplied the 9 and the 6 together to get 54 square centimeters. Number 5 says, Eliza's bedroom measures 6 feet by 7 feet. Her brother's bedroom measures 5 feet by 8 feet. Eliza says their rooms have the exact same floor area. Is she right? Why or why not? So if we do Eliza's bedroom, 6 feet by 7 feet, 6 times 7 is 42. So the area of Eliza's room is 42 square feet. Now her brother has an area of 5 by 8. So 5 times 8 equals 40. Her brother's room has an area of 40 square feet. So nope, Eliza is not right because her bedroom is 42 square feet and her brother's bedroom is only 40 square feet. So she has 2 more square feet than her brother, so they are not the exact same size. And then number 6, Cliff draws a rectangle with a side length of 6 inches and an area of 24 inches. So side length of 6 inches, the area is 24 square inches. What is the side length? What is the other side length, and how do you know? So we know the area is 24, and we know one side is 6. So 6 times what equals 24? Again, you could count by 6s to get to 24 and see how many 6s you counted. You could draw an array. Lots of ways to find that out. But 6 times what equals 24 square inches? So if you figured that out, 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So the other side length is 4 inches because 24 divided by 6 equals 4 square inches. So I hope this helped you. Next, you're going to be doing your exit ticket on page 187, and make sure to turn that in.